I want a career in finance, but mutual funds feel too basic, and I want something high growth and exciting. Rohan, if you're aiming high, you should explore alternative investment funds category 3.
Category 3? That sounds advanced.
That's where iCapital Academy comes in. iCapital Academy and Corporate Advisory LLP is leading excellence in financial education and advisory services. Since its establishment in October 2020, iCapital Academy has become a premier institution in financial education and professional advisory services. We specialize in delivering NISM certification programs and financial market training. Expert faculty, simplified learning, real-world examples, and complete exam-focused preparation. The National Institute of Securities Markets (NISM), established by SEBI, sets professional standards for India's financial markets. To distribute Category 3 AIFs, NISM Series 19B certification is essential. Assessment covers 80 MCQs of 1 mark each, case-based questions, duration will be 2 hours and includes negative marking of 10% per wrong answer and passing percentage will be 60%. The NISM Series 19B exam aims to ensure that distributors understand basics of alt assets and Category 3 AIFs ecosystem and service providers' risk management role fund, fees and benchmarking strategies and due diligence NAV and valuation taxation, India and IFSC, distributors' role regulations. So it's not just theory, it's real market knowledge. iCapital Academy's curriculum covers alt investments, basics, growth and suitability of Cat 3 AIFs ecosystem and risk management fund structure and service providers, SEBI regulations and compliance fees, performance and benchmarking strategies and due diligence NAV and valuation taxation, India and IFSC, distributor role and best practices.
Thanks to iCapital Academy, I'm now certified and ready to work with high net worth investors.
Upgrade your finance career with iCapital Academy's NISM Series 19B certification course. Register now.